So with this old fire extinguisher, I unscrewed the spout, and we're going to turn this thing into a muffler. I've already drilled a hole here. I just got to make it a little bit bigger. This, shout out to Thomas, he gave me this. It fits right in there. I think I'll take some self-tapping screws to make sure it stays. And then on the other end, I don't know what I'm putting it on yet. I could either do this. That would be that'd be a cool one inside of a mower. Or we could do straight. Maybe this. I don't know yet. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and drill out this hole. Attach this piece, and we'll decide on the inlet last. So I just ran this hole saw through the bottom of the fire extinguisher. That should be plenty of flow, a little bit of back pressure, and let some exhaust out. There's the plug that came out of that hole. Up next, I'm gonna stick this piece in, get some self-tapping screws, maybe 3 of them. Then we'll worry about the inlet. And if we decide to use this on a mower, that would be an easy weld. Might be made for a mower, we'll see. And now to install the fancy stainless steel tip. So I want this side out. Put the dents in. That's if I put it on my mower. Just like that. Technically, it might not need any screws, but I'm going to put some in it anyway. Fits perfect. So I'm out working on the custom fire extinguisher muffler, and the mailbox sent me this. So everything stops for a second. I got this out of the mailbox straight to Chud 327. Let's get this baby open. Olight limited edition brass I5T EOS, and O pin 2. It's a pin slash flashlight. This went from a muffler video to a flashlight video. Tell you what, let me finish the muffler and we'll get these flashlights open tonight. Take them for a test drive in the dark. Set these aside. Just perfect. I'll repeat that 2 more times. So now this end is done. That looks professional. I like it. So this just in, my 2 Olights, my 2 other Olights just showed up. As soon as I put out the other video, these showed up. This is a Olight O-Pen 2. It is 120 lumens. On the lowest setting, 5, there's a 20, there's a 60, and there's a bright 120 lumens. It reminds me a lot of the key ring, but it's a key ring with a pin built into it. I'm excited. That is nice. It's got a bolt action that activates the pin. Feels real smooth. The light comes out of this hole as soon as we take the battery protector off. Oh, there's the charging port, mini USB. I feel like I'm gonna have to do another giveaway. And let's open up the other. This is a limited edition, simple but special i5T EOS in brass. Thank you. That one must be sealed up airtight to keep it from tarnishing. I don't know. Oh yeah, I like that. And this one just takes regular AA batteries. First click, low, turn it off, turn it on, then you've got high. That is classy looking. Okay, on low it does 15 lumens, on high it does 300 lumens. It is waterproof, it throws the beam 60 meters. It is 1.5, you can drop it 1.5 meters, not gonna hurt it. And then with the pen, O-Pen 2, the mini USB charging cord. Oh, and it's got a refillable, when you run out of ink, it's got a refillable ink cartridge. Neat. We're going to have to go for another nature walk. The daughter has built a fort out in the woods, and I gotta go figure out what I'm gonna give away. Maybe another $10. I gotta find those knives. There's knives in here somewhere that I was giving away. I could do some more dice. And if I did 5 dice, you'd have enough to play Yahtzee. Put everything on pause. I'm gonna go find some prizes. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I have the prize pack. I went through my closet and picked out some crud. I've got a reflector just like in the last one. I'm gonna go ahead and autograph it for you. So it starts off with a autographed reflector. Last time we did $10. This time we're going to do 5, 10, 11, just because that's more than 10. Got to do better this time. I did find a knife. If you're under 18, I might talk to a parent. This is a no name. It says stainless. I found it in my closet. I don't know where it came from. It's pretty junky, but it is a knife. It's even missing a screw in the back. Well, in your comment, if you win, you could tell me, I don't want the junky knife. So let's see, reflector, money, knife. I got you a pirate token. I don't know where it came from. Love stickers. I got you a sticker. This is in English and Spanish. Trash, basuras. And I got you a lure. No hook, put a lure. This you wear it when you go jogging. It's got a little LED in there that blinks. How long will it blink? I don't know, but I'm gonna throw it in. I got a key ring. If you've got a mud mower, this would be a good key ring for your mud mower. I should sign it. And then best of all, I've got this Olight, never even been open, the little key ring light. It's just like last night's, but last night's was black. This one is desert tan. Last night's the box had been open and damaged. This one's never even been open. 150 lumens, 5 lumens on low. These are rechargeable. You unscrew it, there's a mini USB port. So we've got the flashlight, the knife, the jogging reflector that lights up, the reflector, signed reflector, the signed key ring, the pirate token, the fishing lure without a hook, the Brassurus trash sticker, and $11. And let's do the same rules as last time. A 24-hour contest, picking a random comment, and the winner gets a shout out. I should have said that for the first one. Winner gets a shout out. Anyway, all this, and winner gets a shout out. 24 hours, leave some comments. And on my last video, I was supposed to put some thumbnails, some screenshots of some sales going on with Olight. I'll put those at the end of this one. A little malfunction on that last video. And by the way, before you go, I realized this flashlight, the pin light, has to be charged before it can be used, but we still need to test out the pin portion of it. It writes really good. Love it. Now I've got a bolt action pin. Anyway, there's a sale going on these right now. If you want to go check those out, olight.com. Tell them Chad sent you. Oh, link in the description. So just today I took Colonel Craftsman for a ride. There we go with the bright setting. And then I took the pressure wash to it and cleaned it. But this video is about using the new flashlight. This is the brass flashlight. I'm using my big camera. It doesn't have a light on it, so how can you... There it is. Reflection. Anyway, there's the boat, and we're going out to the trails again tonight to see the progress that the youngest daughter has made bear crossing. So she's got a piece of bamboo running across the top, and then she's got an old... That was one of those shades that you sit under the beach, out the beach. And then you got a couple strings that go down to the trees. There were, looks like 3 trees, and she's got to plant a tree there. But this is so tall, I can even stand under it. It's got a couple of, I guess if you were to put a fireplace in here, your chimney could run through those. Anyway. Why don't we pause this, go get a couple chairs to put under there.
Okay.
Alright, pausing. I bet I could use this reflection.
There's chairs up there.
There is?
Yeah.
I could probably use this reflection to show you the flashlight out here. This is on the bright setting. If we want to do the dim setting, there's the dim setting. So while she went to get the chairs, I'm going to zoom in on the moon. I didn't bring my tripod, so it's a little bit shaky. Sorry about that. Alright, we've got chairs now. So this tent she's made is really neat. I'm about to make me some of these. I got plenty of bamboo. Get me a bigger tarp, some string. Go deeper into the woods. Let me know if you think I should do that. And start leaving some comments to win this flashlight. And remember, you got to be subscribed to her channel. And random comments going to be picked. Actually, I guess you don't have to be subscribed to her channel. What if you don't want to be subscribed to her channel?
What?
You can still subscribe to it, but it's not a requirement to win.
Yeah. Yeah.
She does things like tents in the woods.
Well, this is my first one.
And your other one was about quicksand. So right here in the garage, feels like every video has to have a mower update. This is my Silver Bullet with the new custom exhaust on it. Big chrome tip. Oh, flashlight. Big chrome tip. And the flashlight in the garage, you don't really need it, but you can see that brass finish a lot better. Not finish, it's brass through and through. You can see that brass, shiny brass better with the garage lights on. And then the muffler I was working on today, that is my fire extinguisher muffler. I think it's neat. It's not going to be very muffled, but I feel like that's cool. And I might need to put it here on this Troy. This is Troy number 6. I want to lower that back down and pulley flop it. That might be tomorrow's project. Anyway, this red muffler on that red mower, I do believe that would be cool. Maybe something like this. Maybe up beside the hood, like... I gotta let you guys leave me a comment. Should it be on the, probably on the other side down by the floorboard, heating up the back tire, or a stack? I don't know. I like both. It would probably be on this other side, right about like that. Leave me a comment. Stack or side pipe. I'll try to do whichever one gets the most votes. And I don't know for sure if I'm going to put on Troy. I got a guy that wants to buy Troy this Saturday. Oh, also, I sold my Explorer, if you remember my Explorer. And the guy said, would you take this much? I said, do you have a knife? And he showed me this knife. It was kind of a cruddy little small knife. I said, I got a toolkit. So I took what he offered me in his toolkit. It's pretty cool. Alright, go to Olight, check out Olight.com, look at their flashlights, leave some comments, try to win the prize pack, and thanks for watching. Oh, vote on the fire extinguisher, stack or side pipe.